Hicth YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you that how to make Clove Hicth Knot. So by the using of rope. So friends, let's get started.
Take the middle of the rope. Keep your finger over here. Okay. And take this rope this way. This side down, this side up. Keep this aside. This side we are going to do. Keep your finger over here and one finger over here. This side make the circle little big.
Now, so friends, this side, this rope I have taken from up, and this side I have taken that rope only from down. Can you see
this
it
carefully?
And this one down. And it attached to this circle. So next step is
Take this circle near the small circle. Okay. This where Clove Hicth is prepared. Put the wooden scale inside it. This way. And fit this. Okay. I have taken one wooden big stick. You can take your wooden matchstick. This way. So, if you like our video, then hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to press bell icon and comment. Thanks for watching.